Exercise 3. PD control of ball position. For this task I use the previous experiment. That means the model identification results. First of all, I have to define the given PID values for the maglev model. Therefore, I use the following MATLAB commands to define the PIDs. Root locus and bowed plot for PD1. We have to use RL tool for obtain the root locus plot. Type RL tool and press enter. Then RL tool interface is appeared. When consider the architecture, C is the controller and G is the open loop transfer function. I browse the continuous model into open loop transfer function and PD1 transfer function into controller. This is the root locus plot for PD1. Type the following command to obtain the bowed plot for PD1. After that we can obtain the bowed plot for open loop system and the PD controller in same plot using following MATLAB command. This is the bowed plot for open loop system and the PD controller in same plot. Same as the previous task, we can obtain the root locus plot and bowed plots for PD2 and PD3. Root locus and bowed plots for PD2. Root locus and bowed plot for PD3.